Fable 5 is back in Claude, and this is important because Fable 5 was not just another model update. It became part of a bigger debate about AI power, government restrictions, cybersecurity, and who should get access to the most advanced models. Reports say the US government had temporarily restricted access to Anthropic's Fable 5 and Mudos 5 because of national security concerns. Now, those export controls have reportedly been lifted and Anthropic is restoring access. So in this video, I'll explain what happened, what Fable 5 is, what Sonnet 5 is better for, and which cloud model most people should actually use. Welcome back to AI Alpha by Mario, where I explain simple AI tools, agents, and workflows that help you save time, save money, and make more out of your day with AI. Let's start with a simple version. Claude has different model levels. Sonnet is usually the practical everyday model. Opus or Fable style models are usually for more powerful, difficult work. Fable 5 is one of Anthropic's most advanced public models. It is built for harder tasks like deep reasoning, complex research, advanced coding, long documents, and agentic workflows. That means it can handle work where the AI needs to think through multiple steps. But because Fable 5 is so powerful, it also attracted government attention. The concern was not normal writing tasks. The concern was safety and security. Reports say officials were worried about possible misuse in areas like cybersecurity, especially if safety systems could be bypassed. That led to temporary restrictions. Now, after negotiations between Anthropic and the US government, the controls have reportedly been lifted and Fable 5 is back in cloud. But there may be still some safeguards. Reports say prompts with safety or security concerns may be redirected to less powerful models. That means even if you select Fable 5, some requests may not always use the full model. Now, let's talk about Sonnet 5. Sonnet 5 is the model most people should probably use most of the time. Why? Because not every task needs the strongest AI model. For example, if you are writing captions, summarizing emails, creating outlines, brainstorming ideas, drafting basic content, or planning your day, Sonnet 5 is likely enough. It should be faster, more affordable, and practical for everyday use. Use Sonnet 5 for content ideas, email drafts, meeting summaries, basic research, planning, everyday coding help, normal AI agent workflows, customer replies, document summaries. Sonnet 5 is the workhorse. It is the model you use for daily productivity. Now, use Fable 5 when the task is harder. For example, complex business strategy, advanced coding, long technical documents, difficult research, comparing many sources, high stakes writing, important analysis, multi step agent workflows, and so on. If the mistake could cost you time, money, or reputation, that is when a stronger model makes sense. But do not use Fable 5 just because it sounds more powerful. That is the mistake many people make. They use the most expensive model for every task. That can waste money and sometimes slow down the workflow. The simple rule is this: Sonnet 5 for everyday work, Fable 5 for difficult work. Let's use an example. If you ask, give me 10 YouTube title ideas, use Sonnet 5 for that. If you ask, analyze my last 30 videos, identify the strongest topics, compare them to current AI trends, and build a 30-day content plan, use Fable 5 for that. Another example, if you ask, rewrite this email to sound more professional, use Sonnet 5 for that. If you ask, help me respond to an angry client, protect the relationship, explain the delay, and avoid making promises I cannot keep. Use Fable 5, then review carefully. So, what should normal users take away from this? First, Fable 5 being back matters because it shows that powerful AI models are becoming political and strategic technology. Second, Sonnet 5 is probably the better default model for most daily work. Third, Fable 5 should be used when the task is complex enough to justify it. Fourth, access and pricing may change, so verify inside Claude before building your workflow around it. And fifth, even powerful AI needs human review. A better model does not remove your responsibility to check the output. The big idea is simple. Claude is no longer one tool. It is a model stack. Different models for different jobs. Sonnet 5 is your everyday assistant. Fable 5 is your specialist for harder work. Use the right model for the task, and you will save money, save time, and get better results. And if you want to learn practical AI workflows like this, step by step, I also have my AI University community on School, where we go deeper into AI tools, agents, automations, and real business use cases. If this helped, subscribe to AI Alpha by Mario and leave a comment with which model you would use more: Sonnet 5 for everyday work or Fable 5 for difficult tasks. See you in the next one.